So hello to everyone. Today I replaced my rear anti-roll bar links, and also I replaced my camber arms. I have installed adjustable camber arms. Here you can see the work in progress. This is rear anti-roll bar link. Now I have removed it, and these are the main points which are important in this job. The cover, plastic cover, which you must remove from the spring control arm. It is held on with two 10mm bolts. Here you can see them. And then you have to remove this long bolt from rear spring control arm. This is a 13mm bolt, which has also a 30mm washer on it. And when you remove it, you have only to remove the anti-roll bar from the stabilizer itself, and then you can pick the anti-roll bar. These are the main tools I'm using now: 30mm sockets and the box and wrenches with 30mm in diameter. So guys, this is part I removed from my car, and here is the new part. I'm going to install it. To be honest, the old part isn't weird enough, but it is always good to replace front and rear anti-roll bar links together. I have done front and now I am doing the rears. So now I am installing them. The Newton meters for this job you must use is 20 for the spring arm mounting point and 30 Newton meters where the rear anti-roll bar meets the stabilizer itself. So make sure you have your torque wrench ready, and then you will be able to tighten the bolts on specific Newton meters, what is labeled on the official databases of your car manufacturer. Here it is the job itself, and now I'm tightening the anti-roll bar link on the stabilizer itself with 30 Newton meters. And now I know that everything is tight enough. So guys, let's move on. This is now the work in progress about rear camber arm. I'm now removing it with 19mm socket on it, and during this job I am also preparing the new camber arms for the installation. It is mandatory when you are using some polyurethane bushings to use the proper grease. I'm using now a super lube oil grease. It is stamped that this grease helps to prevent any squeaking noises from these parts which are in camber arm strut mount installed itself. Here you can see it. I have greased them enough, and now I will also grease the camber arm itself, and then I will push the polyurethane bushings and the main sleeve on it. You can go crazy with this grease. You know it is absolutely waterless, and this is great stuff. And I have a full tube of it, and I put a very big amount of it in the camber arm. Here you can see now I'm assembling this, and the construction is already and almost ready. Now we have only sleeve to install. Let's grease inside this, insert the hole of camber arm, and then push the stainless steel sleeve inside it. You may hit some difficulties during doing this job, and the hands may be not enough strong to push this sleeve fully in this insert, so that's why you can go and use some rubber mallet and everything will be good in this situation. Now I will pick my rubber mallet and hit it to the sleeve to make sure it goes all the way down, and here we are. The construction is ready now, and it is enough greased to prevent any squeaking noises from this part during the movement of the car. Also, guys, you must adjust these camber arms in the length of your camber arm, which you have removed from your car. You know, these are adjustable. I have adjusted this to the length of the the same length as the camber arms were, which I removed from my car, and then I installed them on my W210. Here you can see here we have M12 bolt. This is XZN spline drive, and we must to put open end wrench in the one side, and then the proper bit on the other side, and then tighten this bolt to the torque spec. And here it is the final result. Here you can see that I use the washer because it has some gap. It had some gap, and to prevent it wobbling from wobbling, I used the washer. And here you can see also this is washer-free installment in this side. The fit was very secure here. So guys, this was a little video about my DIY which I did today. Here also you can see new anti-roll bushing is installed, and now it's time to put on the cover, plastic cover I have removed from my car, and then everything is done, and it's time for the test drive. So this was a little informational video. If you have any questions, please ask me. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Goodbye.